Buy Bitcoin right now. Guys, I know it seems like everything is crashing every single day, but the urgent bear trap is upon us. The bears are so screwed. I'm telling you. Okay, what caused the dump? We need to talk about what caused all of this dumpage because it's the same thing that's going to cause the pumpage. Why Bitcoin will destroy the bears soon. Seriously, guys. They're so screwed. They're about to get screwed so hard. Okay, the bears are so done. Exactly when to buy and when to sell. That's important, right? You need to buy at a certain level, sell at a certain level, actually make profits. If that sounds good to you, let's get it on. Welcome to the Kale Show. My name is Kale. This show is brought to you by BlockFi. I have one exclusive show sponsor. I didn't want to give you a bunch of ads and a bunch of links. Go to blockfi.com/Kale and you get $250 in free Bitcoin. I mean, it's not that hard. I don't know who wouldn't want free Bitcoin. And if you're not earning interest on your crypto right now, you're losing your mind. Inflation is so high. You need to be earning money at least on your dollars. Okay, I have a banger show planned for you. Absolute monster of a show. Like I'm going to talk about, I literally put my money where my mouth is here and bought a ton of Bitcoin at these levels because I am convinced with all of my soul that we are about to pump here soon. We are about to have an amazing, amazing run in Bitcoin that could make you guys a ton of money before we go into a deep, disgusting, gross bear market. And so I really want to warn you guys and just get you guys excited about this video. And can I just beg really, really quick before we get started? Can I beg you to smash the like button? Like seriously, like I'm looking right into your eyes and into your soul. If you're watching this video and if you've ever gotten 1 cent of value from what I've presented ever, please smash the like button on every single video right now because people are leaving crypto. It's sad. Like they're getting depressed. They're getting, they're like, oh, it's dead. Crypto's dead. And they're going to miss out. And it really sucks because the best time to be focused and to be smashing the like button, to be watching videos is right now. Not when everything was going crazy. Not when everyone was super excited. When everyone's super depressed, like this fear and greed index shows you right here. I mean, I'm already getting into the video, but when everyone is super depressed, this is the best time to be focused. So if you're focused, do me one favor and please smash the like button. It doesn't take more than 1 second, okay? Now, real quick housekeeping. I'm going to get into this banger of a video. Guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but 2 plus 2 is absolutely going insane. Like we have so much utility and so much stuff coming out every single day that it's absolutely ridiculous. So I can't even go through it all right now. I don't want to waste your time, but go to 2 plus 2 Club on Twitter and just follow us and see all the stuff that we're dropping because it's ridiculous. You can also just grab one of our Genesis NFTs and that will give you a much better idea of what's happening. But one other thing that I've been doing is I've been dropping some, if you like this show and you want more like nuanced stuff, more stuff that isn't appropriate for YouTube, like this is one here. Simple habits to make money in crypto. I dropped this only for the 2 plus 2 family who has this NFT. This one right here, the #1 hack for everything. I think about this every single day. It's called the 1% rule. I think this would really, really help a lot of people. So I dropped this to the Discord. And then the one I'm dropping to them today is this one right here. It says how to construct a banger crypto portfolio. Like if you want to know how to construct an awesome crypto portfolio, this is the kind of stuff I'm going to be dropping in the Discord for the 2 plus 2 Club every single day because I just want to add value. And also it's kind of fun to have another place to drop videos because I can't drop every single thing on YouTube. So I'm talking way too much here. Let's just get in with the video. Okay, guys. Bitcoin is disgusting right now. I mean, it makes me sick to look at. Like, if you guys been around, have you guys felt this pain? If you felt this pain, smash the like button because my gosh, like we looked like we were kind of going to make a run to 50K and then we came down and we thought we were going to make a run to 45K and then straight into the crypto abyss. I mean, we're at $38,000 right now. I mean, this is a joke. Ethereum is at $2,700. Look at that nasty chart. Oh my gosh, it looks disgusting. It's horrifying. And so you're probably wondering, Kale, how can you be positive right now? Why are you buying Bitcoin right now? Everyone is scared out of their minds. Crypto greed and fear index at 19. Like, that's horrible. Like, I think it's actually more like this. Like, if you've gone on Twitter lately, let me know in the comments, but like, this is how it feels on Twitter. Everyone's like, well, it's over. We're all gonna die. I mean, even like the pros, the people that have been here a long time, everyone's just panicking right now. And it's kind of like, it's weird. I'm starting to feel like depressed. And the best thing about that though, guys, is every single time that I've started to feel really, really depressed is exactly when we started to go back up. So I'll give you some examples if I can just pull this chart up really quickly here. Like over here, remember this? Remember when we had the massive Elon dump? Here, I'll take some of these indicators off. These indicators are great, but they're kind of like hard to see. Let me just get rid of this. Okay. So remember when we had this massive dump when Elon tweeted, we came all the way down here. We had this massive dump. And then for like months, it was sideways, 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 sideways. And it was about this point right here where everyone was the most depressed. Everyone was like, it's horrible. I'm quitting crypto forever. It's over. And then look what happened. Look what happened. We pumped. we had a little correction, and then we pumped again. And the next correction right here, people were depressed here too. People thought that this was it. People thought we were done, and everyone was depressed right here. And both of these times, guys, I'm not kidding you. I can't make this stuff up. You can go check my Twitter. Both of these times, I was on Twitter saying, guys, I feel it. I know it. I haven't called every single bottom correctly. I definitely haven't. But for these two were so obvious because the sentiment was so bad. It was so bad that you just could feel it in your body that something was about to happen. We were about to at least have some kind of rally back up, okay? And it's kind of, I don't want to say it's exactly the same, but it's kind of how I feel right now, guys. I kind of feel like we've done too much damage. Like we went up to $69,000. We came all the way down to $38,000. I mean, that's a massive move. That is disgusting. That is, okay, what is that? What percentage is that? That is 45%. 45%, guys. I just don't think there's much more downside for Bitcoin right now. I think that people have overhyped it, over-panicked, gone absolutely insane. And I think that we are close to one of those bottoms like we had here and like we had here. Okay, and that's why I put my money where my mouth is and bought some. I'll show you in a second, okay? Let me show you. Where is it? This is what I did. So I showed you guys this like how many days ago? This was like 4 days ago. I had these orders already planned out, okay? So I had some Bitcoin, buy some Bitcoin at 41,000, buy some Bitcoin at 40,500, buy some Bitcoin here at 40,000, buy some Bitcoin at 39,600. And everyone was like, Kale, are you gonna change your orders? Like, and everything was dumping yesterday. And I was like, no. I'm just gonna leave it. And so yesterday, all of this got filled. So all of this, I bought all of this Bitcoin yesterday automatically. Like I didn't have a choice. I already had planned my strategy and it filled. It got filled. So I bought a bunch of Bitcoin. And you're probably thinking like, Kale, what are you doing? Like, are you sure? Wait, where's the whiteboard? Like, are you sure that the bears are gonna get destroyed soon? Or are you just gonna lose all your money? Well, number one, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. So I have a lot of conviction in this. But let me just show you why I did this. So if you go to like, any good trader, they were all showing the same chart right here, okay? They were showing these range lows. You see how in September we came down and we kind of bottomed out here around $39,000, $40,000. This is a very significant level. And I just showed you this on the chart. This is another bottom that I was talking about over here. See, we bottomed out around the same exact level over here. Like it's almost the same. I'm not drawing a very straight line there, but you can see, right? This level is very important. So that's why I stacked some bids there. Obviously we've broken through that, which sucks a little bit here, but I expect over the next couple days we will come back up and we will turn that into support. Okay, I'll show you exactly what I think in a second. But so that's a chart I was playing off of, and it's a pretty obvious chart. Even Pentoshi was saying the same exact thing, right? He said I would feel much more comfortable if we to take a swing long if we took out the equal lows that we put in on most exchanges. So you see these lows in September? If we took those out, he said he'd feel much more comfortable putting in a long, which means buying some Bitcoin. And I feel the same way. Like I feel so much cozier right now having Bitcoin at these levels than I would have buying around 44,000, 45,000. I just think that this is the perfect time to buy. So let me show you exactly what I've been predicting. And like, if you don't believe me, you can just go watch my video from yesterday. Look at this. Can't move it. Anyway, I have an order placed. This is from 3 days ago. I was showing you this chart and telling you this is when Bitcoin was at like 44,000. I was telling you that I was going to play this trade out. So I'm in it with you guys. Like I've been showing you this for a few days now. So let's see what happens. This is what I think. This is what I thought was going to happen. I thought we would come down here to around $39,000. Unfortunately, we went a little bit lower. But I mean, not quite. We're still doing pretty good. And then what I do think is going to happen over the next few days and weeks is we're going to come up here to around the $46,000 level. This is the key level, $46,000. So if you measure this out, right now we're at $38,000. If we came up here to 46,000, that would be a 22% move. That's pretty good. I mean, that's a 22% move on Bitcoin if you have enough size. If you have enough like money to put behind that, you just buy Bitcoin and you can make 22% over the next few weeks. And I'll show you exactly why in a second. I think that's going to happen. Just stick with me here, guys. It's not just because of squiggly lines. You guys know I don't trust the squiggly lines very much. The real reason why I think it's going to pump is coming. So just stick with me. Okay. So 22% there. And then altcoins, I think will do even better. Like FTM, we'll talk about that in a second. Okay. But why is this happening? What is going on with the markets? You guys probably want to know, like why is it dumping in the first place, right? Well, it's the SPY. It's the freaking stock market. Like, look at this. Look at this disgusting stock market. Like right through support. Like you see these support ranges, see these bands. Like it's literally just disrespecting them and going straight through it. Same thing here at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is taking a free fall. It doesn't help that Netflix totally shit the bed, but Netflix is not helping. But anyway, everything is dumping in the NASDAQ. Now, this is obviously correlated with Bitcoin. When the stock market dumps, Bitcoin dumps. But the real reason all of this is happening, and I've been telling you guys this for literally months on this channel, so if you don't believe me, you need to go back and watch. Rising interest rates could keep a chokehold on tech and growth stocks. What's a rising interest rate? Well, it's the money printer, guys. I've been telling you guys this for months. They're slowing down the money printer. And when interest rates rise, stocks go down. Same thing here on if you just Google stock market and the Fed, there's literally like 40,000 articles here. Look at this. There's literally 40,000 articles here where the Fed is the one that is crashing these markets. This guy, this freaking Jerome Powell idiot over here is the one that's crashing these markets. And so I've been telling you guys for months, they're going to slow this money printer down. It's going to look more like this, right? But here's the thing. Here's the rub. It's a little too drastic. People are overreacting. You ever get that feeling that it's like, we know this is going to slow down, but it's not going to slow down in like 1 minute. People are acting like this is how slow the money printer is right now. It's really not this slow. We were here. We were normal speed, right? And what they've done is they've kind of gone to here. They've gone to 0.75, a little bit slower, but they haven't gone all the way back to here. The market is reacting like they've totally cut off money printing. They've totally stopped supporting the economy. They haven't. They're not going to, okay? So it's, in my opinion, it's a massive overreaction that is happening here, okay? And so everyone's already talking about the next meeting, which is the January Fed meeting. Rate hikes are coming. Everyone is talking about this. Everyone's talking about it. It's on Wednesday next week. It's on the 26th. And as you guys know, this is the only thing that matters. These meetings are the only thing that matters. And so Ted is a really smart guy. I'd love to have him on the channel soon. He's talking about how we're positioned for a squeeze higher next Wednesday or beforehand. There's a 94% probability, I don't know where he got that probability, that's amazing, that the Fed don't hike this month on the announcement. It's likely the risk opposition. Okay, so I know he talks like a macro guy, and so a lot of you guys don't know what the hell he's saying. Basically, he's saying there's a 94% probability that when this guy gets on the stage on Wednesday, he's not going to say anything that people don't already know. Okay, so we've already priced in the worst case scenario, right? We've already, look at this. I mean, you can't tell me that the worst case isn't already priced in. Like, look at this chart. It's absolutely bonkers. Like, it's horrifying. Like, it's bad. Okay, and so that is when it's all priced in. And so if he gets on the stage on, what Ted is saying is he's likely going to get on the stage on Wednesday and he's going to say what everyone already expects. Okay, everyone already expects him to say certain things. And if that happens, what's going to happen is we're going to get a massive pump and the bears are going to get screwed. Same thing here. The rally is most likely going to start after the FOMC meeting, which is on the 26th. Okay, I don't even know who this guy is, but I just believe in my heart, like, guys, you don't even need a chart. You don't even need a graph. All you need to think about is, like, are people panicking right now? Like, is the fear and greed index actually kind of like this? Because in my opinion, people are really overreacting. Yes, 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 yes. I agree with you. I agree that Bitcoin for the rest of the year is going to be hard to trade. I really do. I think that, like, my overall year-long plan is, like, I think we come up here to like the $46,000 range. And I do think that even if we go a little higher, maybe we go to 50, or maybe we don't, we're going to get rejected and we're going to come all the way down here into the abyss. I do think that the lack of money printing is going to really harm Bitcoin. I think we're going to come down here into 30K range at some point before later in the year, like after the summer. You guys know that, like, and this is not drawn to scale, but let's say this is after the summer, we're going to go back up to 100K. I just think that people are going to go, you know, away in the summer. The stock market doesn't really react well in the summer. I think we could have a big drought in the summer. But for now, for right now, for the short-term traders, for those of you guys who want to make some money in the short term, which is most of us, right? If you want to make money in the short term, smash the like button, right? Because that's what I'm here for too. Like, I think this is such an easy trade. That's why I put my money where my mouth is, guys. I bought a bunch of Bitcoin. I mean, you can see the numbers right here. Like, I bought a bunch. And I really do think we're just going to head back up to 46,000. We're going to make that 22%. We're going to cash it out. And then we're going to go back down to the crypto abyss. And it really is as simple as just watching this Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday. And so if you guys want to supercharge this trade and you want, like, I really want to make more money than 22%, Kale, well, Phantom is where the ballsy people are going to go. Okay, so it's dropped 18% in one day. So this is not for the faint of heart because it could easily drop more. 100% agree. However, if Bitcoin does turn around, which I do think is going to happen here, this is going to bounce harder than Bitcoin. It's going to go up much harder than Bitcoin. I've been telling you guys that for days. So this could easily go back to $3, which would be a much bigger percentage move. I'll just show you on the chart. I think I have a Phantom chart over here. Like, guys, check this out. Like, if you, so we have this massive dirty red candle. Let's say that Bitcoin bottoms out around 37,000 and Phantom comes down to, like, I don't know, $2.27, okay? And then it rockets back up to like $3.10, which could easily happen if Bitcoin just has any sort of move, right? Well, let's check the percentage on this because this is where you make more money than Bitcoin. It's just simple math, guys. That's why I founded 2 + 2, simple math. Okay, look at this, okay? That's a 36% gain. 36, you can't even see it on the screen, it's too small, but 36% gain versus a 22% gain on the Bitcoin chart, right? And so that's what you can do if you want to maximize your gains, guys. You could also go even crazier. You could buy some phantom ecosystem coins. These are a lot more risky right now because altcoins are getting crushed in this market as long as Bitcoin doesn't turn around. If Bitcoin turns around, some of these could go crazy. So these could be 50, 100% gains, but also much more risky. So that's what I've got for you guys. If you guys enjoyed that, do me one favor and just go to my link, blockfi.com/Kale, and go check out the NFT project. Because guys, it's absolutely ridiculous what we're dropping in there every single day. And I'd love to like hang out with a bunch of you guys personally. So anyway, love you guys. I'll see you guys soon, probably tomorrow. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.